morning, Your Honor, and members of the jury. My name is Stephanie Henschel. I'll be giving the closing argument and summation today. To my left is Mr. Matthew Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
And to my right is Mr. Ibrahim Law.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
He'll be giving the opening statement in today's case.
Thank you. For the defense.
Good morning, Your Honor, members of the jury. My name is Taylor Kelson, along with my co-counsel Brennan Godey.
Good morning, Your Honor, members of the jury.
And Ansel Carpenter.
Good morning, Your Honor, members of the jury.
We represent the defendant in this case, Ms. Whit Bowman.
Thank you. From the state, are there any pretrial matters we need to address before beginning?
Yes, Your Honor. We first have a few documents to tender to the bench, simply for Your Honor's reference. I have a copy of the special instructions, as well as the stipulations agreed to by both parties. I also have a copy of the order and motions previously ruled on by Judge Butler, as well as the Midlands Rules of Evidence and the Midlands Case Law, again, simply for Your Honor's reference.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Please approach. Has opposing counsel seen all of those?
Yes, Your Honor, we have.
Okay.
Your Honor, drawing the court's attention to that top document, that's the special instructions. Those state that the prosecution is required to pursue 3 charges in today's case. The first is a charge of theft by deception, as well as 2 separate but related charges of robbery in the first degree and of felony murder.
Thank you. I see that. Are there any other matters we need to address from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor's preferences for moving about the well. Would you like us to ask permission before approaching opposing counsel, the witness, or Your Honor?
You don't need to request permission before moving about the well or approaching opposing counsel. If you are going to approach either a witness or the bench, please ask permission before doing so.
Yes, Your Honor. And at this time, the state moves to invoke Rule 615, which is the constructive sequestration of all witnesses except for a party representative. There will be no party representative for the state today.
I assume there's no objection from the defense.
No objection, Your Honor. We designate the defendant Whit Bowman as our party representative.
Okay, very good. That motion will be granted.
With that, Your Honor, the state's ready to proceed.
Okay. Any pretrial matters from the defense?
Yes, Your Honor. One additional matter. I'd like to direct the court's attention to a form which was provided on the bench in addition to the documents provided by the prosecution. This is a character evidence form which has been signed by both parties. This form is necessary in Midlands, provided as an intent to offer character evidence of various kinds. This form is necessary because there are no rebuttal witnesses called in this jurisdiction.
I assume it's the defendant's intent to enter character evidence pertaining to the defendant?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
Okay. Any response from the state on that issue?
Your Honor, we have no objections, obviously, to the document being tendered. We've signed it. We have seen it. However, we'd just like to make note that because they have signed the character evidence form, it does not mean that character evidence is admissible. It's just a notice that they do plan to offer it.
I understand. Okay. Well, I'm not going to give an advisory opinion, so we'll wait until we get to that issue, and then we'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
Yes, Your Honor, and nothing further from the defense. We are ready for